In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change reply to email in Mailchimp. If you've ever sent a campaign and found replies going to the wrong inbox, this quick adjustment will fix that. The reply to address is the mailbox your subscribers will respond to when they hit reply. Setting it correctly helps you capture feedback, support requests, and sales inquiries in the right place, and it can also improve trust and deliverability when it matches a domain you control. Start by opening Mailchimp and heading to the Campaigns area on the left side of your dashboard. This is where all your email campaigns live. Find the specific email you want to adjust, whether it's a drafted campaign or one you've set up and not yet sent, and click Edit. That takes you into the email builder for that campaign, where you can review settings before sending. Inside the builder, look for the From section. This is where Mailchimp stores your sender information. Click it to open the panel. You'll see the details that subscribers see in their inbox, typically the From name and the From email. In this same place, you can set the reply to address so that when someone answers your message, their response lands in the right inbox. If there's a dedicated field for reply to, use it. If you see an option to use a different reply to, enable it and enter the appropriate address. Keep this address professional, active, and monitored by your team so no important replies are missed. Once you've updated the reply to address, you're essentially done. The change applies to this specific email, and when you send it, replies will route to the address you entered. For best results, use an email at a domain you manage rather than a free webmail address, and make sure you have permission to receive messages there. If your organization uses domain authentication, aligning the reply to with your domain can help your messages look more legitimate to inbox providers. Also, avoid using a no-reply inbox. Making it easy for subscribers to reach you can boost engagement and reduce frustration. To recap, you went to Campaigns, opened the email you want to adjust, clicked the From section, and updated the address that receives replies. That's all it takes. With this simple tweak, you'll ensure responses from your audience arrive where your team expects them, keeping your communication smooth and your workflow organized.